Alice, yes. You have this book, Short Walks from Bogota. Wow, that's perfect for you. Your next destination. She will choose one chapter. Okay. She will start reading the beginning of the chapter, and the other four will improvise based on this. After the very first lines, 2, 3 lines, okay, I think this chapter is chapter 4, is your favorite one, right? So she's the typewriter and she's writing the book. We have here just the beginning, and then it will be you improvising what she is writing. So it's a real-time novel. Yeah? Yes. And 3, 2, 1.
After polishing off Angosta on my way back from San Jose de Paviare, I had spent the days since getting back to Bogota drifting in and out of 100 years of solitude. Before Pablo Escobar came along.
I feel so sad. There's nobody here for kilometers. And Bogota is still far away. Oh, hello! Can you point me to Bogota?
Yeah. Take these trees there. Go right. You see some other trees. Go straight. Want to go down. But see, you're a good lad. Don't you like to work in an honest and good paying business?
I'm quite suspicious. If I may dare, I've heard stories about jobs around here.
Pharmaceutical. Like painkiller. And he says, in a sense, you could say it's painkiller. Let me show you. Come with me.
The restaurant was at the top of a steep, narrow staircase that led off the street to a low-ceilinged room with walls that had been blackened by greasy smoke from the grill.
I think this is the best restaurant in San Juan de Esteban.
This is so beautiful here. But it is attitude 2,000 meters.
Yeah, that's, maybe that enhances the taste of, or maybe, is it the special powder that they add here? It tastes better.
Did you try these leaves aside? Oh, it is a little bitter, but.
I asked for Coke as well, but I didn't realize that was the Coke.
They serve only these in restaurants. It is, prohibited to serve
Coca-Cola, right? Oh, okay. No powder. Yeah. Okay.
It is so beautiful to see you. I'm not hungry anymore. No, these are if some more leaves, yes. See, come on, oh, see.
So, it's a bit difficult to swallow.
Start from here.
Take some water. I take care of my people.
Are you sure it's not dangerous?
No. You know how to use a gun? It's only for defense against bugs. You know, have some dirty bugs who
come and say you can no more do what you do.
So, as you told me before, I should shoot anything that is actually carrying DEA jacket, right?
Yeah, that's how we mark people who are not wanted. We mark them with DEA.
Okay.
Before you kill them, can you please tell them plato plomo? It's trying to make it catch.
And hijo de puta. I speak Spanish. After 3 years.
Take some money.
I'm ready to go.
He made farting noises with his armpit. By the time the bus arrived, he had rapport with the boy and his little sister. The kids at least loved him.